Hey, this is Lewis, and welcome back to the Cash App Money series here. I'm going to be showing you today how we go about adding our Cash App card to Apple Pay. It's pretty simple. You can just see that button right up top, but how do we get there? Well, the first screen that you see here, this is going to be the main Cash App screen. This is where you can send money, either pay for service or pay somebody some money here, or you can also request money. But what you want to do is click on the button to the left of that. That's where you get your cash card number. Now you can make it visible by clicking on the eyeball. I'm not going to do that here, but you can do that by pressing on the eyeball. You see the full number. You see explore offers here. You can add an offer, you can do roundups. I'll show you how to do all that in another video, change your PIN number. But what we're going to do here is just add the card to Apple Pay. It's pretty simple. You click on your device there. I clicked on my iPhone, click next, and now it's adding the card to your Apple Pay wallet. You just let this process, you read through the terms and conditions there, you click agree, and then you let it do its thing. And as it's processing, it's setting up the wallet, adding it to your wallet there, and it just takes about a minute or so. But once it's done, you'll get the blue check mark, and now it is set up in your wallet. You can set it as a default. I'll go ahead and do that for now. Boom, your cash card was added to Apple Pay. Remember, your PIN is the same one you use in the app. So there you go. And to change your PIN, you just click there, enter your old PIN, or you can also forget PIN. But I'll show you how to do this in a later video. Now, to test it out, you just open up your wallet, and you can see here that my Cash App card has been set up in my Cash App. You can also see that I have some other cards set up, all my Chase cards, my Bank of America, my Apple Cash is there as well. But if I wanted to just pay using my Cash App card, I just do that, hold it over a reader, and there you go. You just paid using your Cash App card from your Apple Pay wallet. All right, go ahead and watch the other Cash App videos here in this series.